So like, what is, what are some of the ways that we can break down that taboo that is not good to get any help for our mental state in the Black community?
Well, first of all, I think we need to understand the history of why that is. Okay. I mean, if we think about the Black community, even starting back with slavery and then Jim Crow and all that other kind of stuff, we didn't talk about what was going on in the house for our own safety. Okay, we can go back to the slave quarters because I still think we act out a slave quarter mentality even to this day, right? And so there wasn't like if there was something going on in the slave quarters amongst the Black individuals in the slave quarters, right? They couldn't share. They wasn't going to share that to master because master might punish them, right? Like for example, I like to use is if there's a pedophile in the slave quarters, you're not going to talk about the pedophile in the slave quarters because, for various reasons. Because in terms of master's eyes, then you might be violating some of his property. But the other thing is you wouldn't know where you're going to get him out of there, right? So you try to protect the children from him. It's just like when you hear today, somebody says to a little girl, boy, don't sit on Uncle George's lap. Why can't I sit on Uncle George's lap? Right? Instead of really, and so we don't have the language sometimes to talk about um, why that is, and the ideal of the collective ideal. The collective has always been more important than the individual need.